Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explain 10 truths about why most people will never lose weight. So let's get started. Number 1. Laziness. Too many people want results but aren't committed to doing the work to be successful because they are lazy. Number 2. Copycat syndrome. Most people in the gym seem to go there to watch others and copy what they are doing without knowing why they are doing it. Number 3. No like or hate. Most people believe that someone else's body is better than their own. They say things like "I hate my body," "I don't like this about my body," and so on. As the saying goes, your body is listening, so why will it cooperate with you? Number 4. Happy with unhappiness. Most people aren't getting results because they subconsciously like feeling crappy. They end up in a pattern that validates why they aren't achieving their goals. And it's often because they want to see results right away. So when they don't, it is easy for them to stay in that pattern because it wasn't meant to be. Number 5. Focus on challenges. Most people consume too much negative that it makes them only see negativity. Number 6. Wrong exercise programs. Most people do the wrong exercise programs for the type of body they have. Number 7. Misinformation. The current fitness and weight management industry is an echo chamber of terrible, generic, and non-effective advice. And it has become the new snake oil industry, unfortunately. Number 8. Stupid reasons. In my opinion, only 95% of people actually go to the gym for the right reasons. Many go to gyms to show how insecure they are by screaming, grunting ridiculously, and continuously staring at themselves in the stupid mirror, looking around to see who is looking at them, and engaging in extreme socializing. Number 9. The value and worth of your body. Close your eyes and picture all the goals you have for yourself. Now make a list of how many of those goals you have accomplished, and then write down 5 of those goals. From those 5 goals, is respecting your body number 1 or 2? If you do that, which is excellent, you are on the right track. Number 10. Dumb and false old ideologies. The fact is that a lot of fitness routines and training programs in this day and age are nothing but theatrics and performative acting. And they add little to nothing for people who really need results. They are mostly done for views on, for example, TikTok and other social media platforms. Have you noticed that everyone on Instagram or TikTok is doing the exact same thing in one form or another? That's because it's all for show. If we aren't all the same, does it make sense to be doing the same things? Hope this video is helpful. For more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.